Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in textbooks. In this question, we're trying to find force. We have 300 kilograms for the object, and we have gravity at 9.81 meters per second squared. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Next, list all the given values and the unknown. This will help you figure out formulas. Step 2, find the formula for force. Note that force is equal to weight. So sometimes they call it find the weight. In this case, it is the force. So step 3, find the force. Multiply mass by acceleration, so 300 kilograms multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared. We get 2,943 newtons. That is the force or the weight of the object. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before you leave, I encourage you to save this video just in case it gets taken down or my channel runs into issues. So just use the snipping tool method. You can pause the video if you haven't used snipping tool before. Just follow the steps. So it'll be in your taskbar, or you can just use the window search and then click on the video option, click on new. Left click drag the rectangle for the YouTube screen and then hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, and then once the video is done, just hit the red square. It will stop recording, then save your video. Okay, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is not in your textbook, so they won't know how to find it. Until next time, see ya.